everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick and easy meal idea. It's lemon peppered shrimp, buttered carrots, and mashed sweet potatoes. I wanted to give you a video of me cooking in real time. I did not speed this video up. I did, however, edit out some empty pockets where I was just grabbing some stuff. This entire meal takes about 15 minutes to prepare, so sit back, enjoy, and relax. So I have two different types of sweet potatoes that I'm using. One is a Jamaican Caribbean sweet potato and the other one is an Asian sweet potato. So the Jamaican sweet potato has a nice yellow color. It's super creamy, super textured, and the other one has a little white color, just like a regular potato. But this sweet potato is also creamy and textured. After using the American sweet potato so much, I keep forgetting how quickly the regular sweet potatoes actually turn. So this is me just peeling off the brown skin that formed once the potato was peeled. look at the different colors of the potatoes. I'm so excited, like, oh my gosh. The Jamaican sweet potato is like the best sweet potato ever. So I'm just mashing this with a fork, and then I move to my whisk just to speed it up because you know I'm lazy sometimes in the kitchen. But I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna add some cream because cream is all I had in my fridge. And you know I use what I have available. So for my shrimp, I used two different types of oil. I used a blend of light olive oil and canola oil. I'm gonna lightly fry, or if you consider this deep frying, the shrimp for a few minutes, just until I get the achieved color that I want, and then transfer to another bowl. Now you add your favorite lemon pepper seasoning. This is just one that I've had for a while from Walmart. It's okay. It's a little salty, but I like it nonetheless. There you have it. You can enjoy your meal. Don't be like me and have all light colors on a plate. Do some greens. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you back here for the next one.